Twitter is losing its mind over Gemini 3.1 right now. Everyone says that it's a revolution and the new era of the AI. But is it actually as good as hype suggests? I naturally skeptical when it comes to social media noise. I don't care about the screenshots, I care about the results. Today, we are pairing Antigravity with Gemini 3.1 to see if this ultimate cheat code is a legitimate game changer or just another marketing fairy tale. Let's cut the fluff and see what it actually can do. I chose Gemini 3.1 model in Antigravity and gave it very simple task. Prompts. Make me a simple homepage for the company Easy Robots. No extra MD files or pre-made templates. We're building the landing page completely from scratch. Before starting, I made sure to create the project folder on my PC to ensure that all files will be locally saved once the generation was finished. The entire process from the processing the prompt, generating the artifacts, and the writing actual code took Antigravity around 6 minutes. During the process, agent might ask you to allow access to specific files or directories. This is the only manual step you need to take. Once the work is done, the website automatically opens in your browser for the quick review. Finally, just click here Accept All and save this code directly in your computer's project folder. This is the website Gemini 3.1 Pro model generated for us. Interestingly, I asked only for the homepage, but the model generated for us a complete landing page. I didn't give specific schema, but it looks very sleek and professional. Every button is fully functional, using the smooth scrolling to navigate to the correct parts of the page. But the book a free demo currently trigger an email, but with a quick follow-up prompts, you can set up the backend to sync with your Google Calendar or Calendly. We can see a few overlapping animations here and there, but that's an easy fix in Antigravity. Gemini also took initiative to add a trusted by section with a placeholder logos, which is a great touch for social proof. Even the service cards have a nice hover animation when you mouse over them. Overall, for the one short prompt, I'd say this is an impressive result. So, deploying your Antigravity project to GitHub. First, we need to move the code from the AI agents to our machine. In the bottom right corner, click Accept All. This ensures your index.html file is physically saved in the project folder we created earlier. Step 2. GitHub identity and configuration. Now let's get ready in GitHub. Make sure that you logged into your GitHub account and that your Antigravity and GitHub account name match. Otherwise, you will run into the error when trying to push your project. But if the names don't match, don't worry. Open the terminal and run two commands one by one, hitting enter after each, and use the exact same email address that you used to register your GitHub account. Step 3. Committing your code. Head over to the Source Control tab on the left panel, write word initial and hit commit. You'll see your file and change stage list disappear. That means that your files are logged in. What's next? Once the commit is done, publish button branch will appear. Select and click Publish to GitHub Public Repository from the top menu, so the world can actually see your site. Step 4. Uploading to the repository. Since we already have a repository initialized, we need to run these 3 commands to link everything up. Copy and paste this one by one right here. Step 5. Make the site live. GitHub page. So now go to your browser and refresh your GitHub page. You will see your index.html file here. Then in the top of the page, click Settings, and in the left sidebar, find the Pages section. Under Build and Deployment, look for the branch setting. Here you will have a None button. Click it, select Main, and hit Save. Final step, checking the result. Now just wait about 1 to 2 minutes for GitHub work its magic. Refresh your Pages tab, and at the top of the page you will see a colored bar. Your site is live at followed by a link. Click that link, and just like that, your site is open to the entire internet. By the way, if you want to learn more, join our free Etherpad community. You can chat with me personally, ask your questions to other members, and get an exclusive learning materials. The link is in the description. It's 100% free.